good afternoon. We have what you call it, Chico. Chico is not really what we call that here in Philippines, but somebody gave us, a neighbor gave us, so I will put that one here. Ah, I don't know.
It's the like jeepney, because when it's a war you use that little thing that you ride on to make it into a jeepney.
Oh, that's cute.
That's cute.
So that is Chico.
Can I eat na?
No, that is not ripe yet. We put it ripe first, okay? So you can eat. No, it take long time, baby.
Ripe. There's no ripe here.
This is a Chico
It's
from the
neighbor.
neighbor.
Sahur. Tung 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 sahur.